So I'm here in Huntington Beach today, checking out a property that was up the street from a new construction I was trying to get into, but they're still doing a lot of construction, so that's a no-go. So this is one that's been on the market for a little bit. Beautiful. It's right up the street from some of the industrial area, not far from Pacific City and Main Street and HB and the pier. And this is on the market, so let's see what they're talking about. Today I am touring a tri-level townhouse in Huntington Beach. We're a few minutes from Main Street, Pacific City, also close to one of my favorite spots in retrospect, which is in the industrial area. Go check them out, mid-century modern. But today in the townhouse, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, about 2,100 square feet of space. Some final observations about this property. I like it overall. At a little bit under 1.3 million. It makes sense for the area you're living in. You're close to Pacific City. You're close to the Huntington Beach Pier. You're close to downtown HB. There's access to a lot of great schools here like Marina High, Huntington Beach High, a lot of acclaim being in this area. This is landlocked. That'll be a knock. And the home, I wouldn't necessarily say is for starters. For folks that are just getting started on their journey, this may not be budget conscious, but at close to 1.3 million for 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, this gives you a lot of possibilities. This could even be a multi-generational property. Someone could live downstairs and have their own space. And then here you have a ton of things you can do. This is the second level. This is where most will happen. This is kind of an area for your dining room. Over here, you'd have kitchen island for most nights and a ton of open floor plan right here just to entertain and hang out, do homework, everything. So I like this. If you want to see more tours like this, make sure to like and subscribe and hit me up if you want to see this property for yourself and maybe make an offer. I'll see you on the next one.